Balita ko, may pangmalakasang bisita daw tayo for today's video. At clue, kasing ganda daw nito yung boses ko. At kung sino man siya, abangan natin. Tara, samahan niyo. Sir Daryl.
Good morning, Boss Jack.
Good morning, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Finally.
meet you too.
Oh, mas pogi talaga si Boss Daryl sa personal.
Hey, you know.
So, sir, what brings you here today?
Well, aside from, of course, magpapa-PPF and ceramic, nabalitaan ko kasi yung may-ari daw ng Elitex. Medyo magaling daw kumanta. So, medyo na-intriga ako. Gusto ko sana makipag-showdown eh.
Sabi ko naman sa inyo guys, hindi ako nagbibiro kanina eh. So, isipin mo naman Mr. Daryl Ong pa yung nagpunta sa atin para lang may pagduwis sa akin kahit inuubo ako.
Sir Jack, pinanalo ka sa score natin sa video kay. Ako mag-PPF ng kotse mo.
Pwede. Pero pag Sir Daryl yung nanalo, PPF natin free yung kotse niya at yung isa niya pang sasakyan. Pero pag tayo yung nanalo, si Sir yung mag-PPF ng bagong sasakyan. Deal, deal.
Deal.
Ayos, ayos.
Hindi, seriously though, meron kasi akong dalawang project na ipapagawa sana sa Elitex. Yung isa, yung LC ko. Ibang LC hindi to. Lumang car. Meron kasi akong sasakyan. Actually, yun yung first ever car na nabili ko 10 years ago. Nung medyo nagkaroon tayo ng chance makatawid sa mainstream, eventually nakapag-ipon, nakabili ng kotse. So medyo matindi yung sentimental value ng kotse ko na yun sa akin. It's actually, i-adapt kasi ng brother-in-law ko.
Nice.
So before we send the car to Davao, I just wanted to make sure na, syempre, yung kumbaga proper send-off ng kotse. And that is why alam ko na sa Elitex, kahit 10 years na yung kotse, alam ko magmumukhang bago.
Of course, of course.
And kumbaga magiging special pa rin siya.
Of course, we'll do our best to make it like new again.
Salamat.
So kasi alam naman natin, we don't treat cars na cars lang, okay? So we treat cars as investment with sentimental value. That's why here at Elitex, I'm pretty positive that Mr. Daryl Ong, before even went here, nag-inquire muna kay Sir, no? Online.
Yes. Actually, isa sa mga main reason bakit ako nag-reach out sa Elitex kasi nakita ko na hawak ni Elitex yung community ng mga owners ng Land Cruiser.
Yes. So that's
So,
what...
of course, di ba Land Cruiser, luxury vehicle siya. Parang for me, ganun ka-trusted si Elitex.
Thank you so much. Yan, kung nakikita nyo guys, ito, LC, this is the aftermath.
Wow.
So this one kasi is, dinala to dito, actually brand new, pero alam nyo kahit galing casa guys, meron talagang mga unseen and unwanted scratches na hindi nakikita unless tapatan ng detailing light. Yan, so black mirror finishes siya, sir, and check po natin.
Okay.
And the way we installed the paint protection film is hybrid, computerized and manual cut. That's why, as you take a look closer, yan, seamless cutting siya para siyang walang paint protection film.
Oh, okay.
And black mirror finish siya, sir. Yan, makikita mo, sir, gaano kapogi siya.
Oo.
Yan siya.
Parang mas pogi ako pagka PPF.
Of course, yes. Hindi lang kayo, pati sa sakyan nyo. And most important thing kasi sa paint protection film, it protects the car or ultimately, kahit talisikan, mabangga ka ng ibang sasakyan, it protects the factory paint. Now, the way we install the paint protection film, Sir Daryl, is we remove this, yung mga, ayan, yung mga door handle, para seamless installation siya. Kaya as you can see, wala siyang mga cutting.
Yeah.
So
So
that's-
I've seen in the video, parang grabe nga yung attention to detail ng Elitex kasi hindi lang siya basta kinabit, parang binabaklas siya talaga, no?
Yes, binabaklas talaga natin. Also, yeah, nilalagyan natin ng coating. After the PPF, nilalagyan natin siya ng coating para maging wet look finish siya and hydrophobic talaga. So, paikot, yan. Talagang very attention to detail. Meron tayong nagka-quality check talaga to make
Grabe.
sure that the car is in perfect and top condition. Yan mo
Grabe,
siya.
linis.
Tas, may grass coating na rin siya. Actually, yung later part kasi, itong windshield, lalagyan pa natin ng glass coating and tint.
Boss Jack, question lang. Yung PPF ba, does it also help? Di ba minsan pagka nag-park ka outdoor, minsan na-tsempohan sa ilalim ng puno, yung mga sap, yung dagta.
Yes.
Does it parang nasisira ba yung PPF dun sa dagta? Or-
Good question. This one is hydrophobic. Can I have the water, please? So, kung makikita nyo guys, i-spray ko lang to dito. Yan, iba yung hydrophobic effect niya. Yan siya. So, parang nalalaglag lang yung water.
Oo, hindi naiipon, ano?
Oh, hindi naiipon yung water. So, ganun siya. So, that's one of the many benefits ng paint protection film. Kaya hindi siya basta-basta makakapitin agad ng acid rain and watermark. Good thing here in Elitex, meron tayong every 6 months warranty and that's free. So every 6 months, pini-premium wash natin siya, yung paint protection film natin, and also the glass, nire-reapplyan natin siya ng coating para lagi siyang in top condition.
Ang PPF ba, Sir Jack, normally kung inaalagaan mo rin siya, ilang years ba yung tinatagal talaga niya?
So we give out lifetime service warranty, but when it comes to paint protection film, 8 to 10 year warranty siya.
Wow,
So, oo.
tagal din.
Kasi meron tayong iba't ibang variant. Actually, not only our own brand ng film, meron din tayo yung first detailing shop or PPF shop na accredited ng Lumar Philippines. So,
Wow.
if you're looking for yung mga authentic na Lumar products or PPF and tin, Elite X lang yung accredited sa ngayon. So, we are the first PPF shop here in Philippines.
Grabe, no? Sabi ni Sir Jack, yung 10 years daw na sasakyan namin, magiging ganito. So, para sa bayaw ko, pasensya na. Kasi yung sakyan namin na Isuzu MUX magiging LC, parang hindi ko na lang pala papadala dyan sa Davao. Sabi na.
Nagbago pa isip, ano?
Hindi. Well, aside from that, meron pa kaming, syempre, yung ipapalit naming sasakyan, di ba? Since nga, papaampo na namin yung car namin, kukuha kami ng isa pang car, which is yung BYD Tang, na na-excite ako lalo kasi we're planning to get black. Tapos nakita ko kung gaano naging sobrang kintab,
Yes, oo.
sobrang linis tingnan ng black. So talagang very excited ako and looking forward
Thank you
na
so much.
ma-PPF and ma-ceramic ng Elite X yung bago naming sakyan din.
Yes, so just as long as kailangan talaga every 6 months, religiously, binabalik talaga to maintain the gloss-like finish and also the condition of the PPF. Yan siya. Sir, excited na ako and thank you for trusting us.
Salamat,
Grabe.
Sir Jack. Boss Jack,
And
thank you.
not just with the do-it, but also with the work on your car.
Ang worry ko, baka mas abangan nila yung duet natin eh.
Kaya nga eh. Salamat. Alam niyo, guys, sobrang swerte lang Sir Daryl ako ngayon kasi minamalat at inuubo ako ngayon.
Buti na lang. Buti na lang.
Hindi lang talaga ako nagbi-video stream eh. Baka mamaya sikat na din ako.
Usapang kotse na lang muna, no?
Usapang kotse na lang muna. So yun guys, stay tuned. On our next vlog, makikita nyo guys yung Isuzu MUX and BYD Tang ni Sir. Gagawin natin we will do our best to make it look as better looks a brand new.
Of course, maraming salamat, sir. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
And of course, sa buong team ng Elite X, thank you for generously accommodating my inquiry. At ito, talagang siguro kung meron pa akong masasabi, sana pagising ko bukas tapos na agad kasi sobrang excited na talaga ako.
Likewise, sir. Yan. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
See you.